Welcome back to the channel and another video on my VW T4. In this one we're going to be repairing the floor pan and also parts of the chassis. So this is what the van looked like when I first got it. It had a sort of old camper set up in the back, lots of old damp plywood. So the first thing to do was to strip all this out and see what we were left with. So as you can see here, the floor is not in great shape at all. There's a lot of rust pushing through in certain areas, particularly where there seems to be a cross member underneath the floor on the chassis. So I've started cutting out sort of the worst parts of it, just to sort of see where we're at. And that soon sort of escalated into the entire rear half of the floor pan coming out. You'll also notice as well that I've cut out that rear cross member that holds in the spare wheel because it was just too far gone as well. But I'll be replacing that with some 50mm box section, as you can see here, so that should be nice and strong to tie those two chassis legs together. So I've also had to repair these two spring plates that sit either side. So basically I've chopped out the main plate itself and then I've fabricated a fresh one from scratch, and then I've re-welded that into the existing chassis as that was still quite solid. I've then built out this sort of double skin that I'm going to weld on top, and everything will get sort of fully welded and plug welded together so everything's nice and strong. And I've done that at both sides, and then from there on the chassis was pretty solid now and pretty good to go. Okay, so at this point it's time to protect the chassis and protect the repairs that I've just carried out. So basically I've cleaned everything back to bare metal as best I could, and then I've given it all a good few coats of epoxy primer just to seal it up, because once the floor pan goes on top here, we're not going to get any access to the tops of these chassis rails. There was two small holes in this sort of main cross member that runs along the centre, so I've also patched them up before I put in the new floor pan. So for the floor pan itself, I bought two quite big repair sheets with the intentions of just sort of cutting them up and getting them to fit as best I could. Now the issue with these repair sheets is that you need to form the ends if you're welding these to sort of like a flat surface. So in order to do this, I just cut slits into the end and sort of bashed them into shape, and then wherever they didn't form to a flat edge, they just butted up to the existing floor pan. So I've cut the sheets down to size and I've gave them a coat of epoxy primer underneath as well, and then you can see I've welded those in, and anywhere they sit on top of the cross members, they've been plug welded to those cross members. So now we just need to fill in those gaps. So I've got a strip either side and then a strip down the middle. So I've filled in the middle one here just with some flat sheet, and then I'm starting to form some sort of patch panels along the side strips just to tie them into the wheel tubs as well. So I'm using quite thick metal here just to ensure the wheel tubs are nice and strong. So at this point the entire rear half of the van is solid again. We've got a good solid floor pan, and all that's left to do now is patch up that sort of section towards the front on the driver's side. You can see that's holed right through as well. So I've chopped all that out. The sort of chassis rail bits on there look pretty decent. I've also repaired the inner sill here at the same time. That's in another video on the channel, so check that out if you've got a chance. And using the offcuts from those two repair sheets that I bought, I was able to patch this section up in a few different pieces. And again, I've plug welded it through into those chassis rails so everything's nice and solid. And at this point the floor was pretty much good to go, apart from the sliding door step. Again, I've got another video, it's an hour long, repairing that full step, building that up from scratch. So please check that out if you do have a chance. So this clip is actually fast forward a few weeks. You can see all my previous repairs are starting to develop a little bit of surface rust just on top there. So now we're going to clean all that back. We're going to get the floor coated in epoxy primer just to protect it, and then we'll get some paint on top of that. So I'll leave you with some footage of that. Thanks for watching.